Chapter 1, number 6. Just simplify. Let's look at A. Here we have to do the parentheses first based on the rules of PEMDAS. So we have negative 6 times x, which is negative 6x. Negative 6 times 2, which is negative 12. Bring down that 2 here. Negative 12 and the negative 2 here becomes negative 14. Bring down that 6x. This is considered to be called your variable term. This is considered to be your constant. They do not combine. This is the final answer. This is simplified. Okay, because there are no more like terms. Next, 4n minus parentheses 7 minus 6n. People don't understand that this is actually a negative 1 in front. Distribute that negative 1 times 7, that gets you negative 7. Negative 1 times negative 6n gets you a positive 6n. Bring down that 4n here. This 4n and 6n becomes 10n, and we're going to minus 7 here. Right? You are done at this moment because you have one variable term and one constant term. These two can no longer combine. Next, let's distribute this negative 7 in here. Negative 7 times negative 3 gets you a positive 21. Negative 7 times negative 6x gets you a positive 42x. Bring down this negative 3. This negative 3 plus this 21 here can combine some terms, getting you 18 here. Bring down the plus 42x. These two can no longer combine because one is considered to be a variable and the other one is considered to be just a number or called a constant. You are done after this moment. There you go.